Hey guys, I am Dipendra from Fixing Port. Initially it was a dream to write on a digital screen, but now the dream has come true. There are many brands and companies in the market which permit you to do the same, that is to write on the digital screen either using your fingers or specially designed digital pencils. One similar device about which we are here to talk is Apple Pencil. Almost everyone in the digital era knows about the Apple or the Apple Pencil. But wait, we are not here to just talk about Apple Pencil, but we are here to tell you why these pencils are so much expensive. So let's begin. Apple products have a history of beating the market with their high prices. There are many of us who own Apple products, but there are some other who only dream of one. So today I am here to answer a question which many people who are planning to buy an Apple Pencil or are already having an Apple Pencil have. The question is why these pencils are so much expensive. But before starting, I would like to tell you that Apple has opened up many features in their flagship devices like Apple iPad, and these features can best be utilized with Apple Pencils. The first thing about which I would like to talk is the design. The Apple Pencil has the patent brand color, that is the beautiful white color. It is lightweight, that means that it gives you a total feeling of using a normal pencil only. Next, talking about the comfortability, it has got a good grip which makes it very much comfortable to use. The next thing is that it can detect any amount of pressure that you exert on the screen while writing. But to just put the ink on the screen, you have to touch the pencil on the screen. The next thing about which I would like to talk is the functionality. Apple Pencil has got various designs and styles. That is, you can write in thick and thin writing styles, you can use a pencil or a pen, and you can also use multiple colors. These options are available at the touch of your fingerprint only. Adding more to the functionality, you can easily erase, redo or undo whatever you do on the device with the Apple Pencil. Adding more onto it, the pencil is very much smooth and does not lag even a bit. The next thing about which we are here to talk is finish, which is one of the most important factor which we see while buying a new product. When compared to other brands, the tip of the pencil is very much smooth, which protects the pencil from damaging the screen of your device. The tip of the pencil is not pointy, but it is rounded. Apple products always provide you quality over anything else, and this is the reason that they demand so high price. And if you are planning to buy an iPad Pro in the future along with the Apple Pencil, then please do not hesitate to buy one. I hope our video helped you, and if our video helped you, then please like our video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for amazing tech videos. Thank you guys. See you guys in the next video.